Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful Egyptian khimar. Let's get started. Measure the front length plus 1, 60 plus 1, 61 and fold in breadth, and the back piece 65 plus 1, 66 plus 1 and fold in breadth. Place the front piece on the back piece and measure from the folded side here, measure 6.5 inches. So from that 6.5 inches, place your tape like this. So measure the sleeve length 29 inches. If you want it to wide, you can place it like this. So you can decide to reduce it if you don't want it that wide. So you can see, so I can decide to place it like this, or you place your tape this way. So as that part, I measure 22 inches for the down wideness. So you can increase it if you want. If you want it to be wider than that, you can use all the 30 inches. You know, the cloth is by 60, so when being folded like this, you have 30 inches wide like that. So from here, you can see, just watch closely. From where my 29 inches stop, the sleeve length, from where the sleeve length stop, you connect it to that 6.5 inches that we measure at up. So this side I will measure my round sleeve, so I measure 7 inches. So this is not constant too, so depending on how wide you want it. So I measure 7 inches and I make this shape. I'm just trying to chalk it out so that you can see it clearly. So I'll connect it here from the down wideness to where the round sleeve stop. For the round sleeve I measure 7 inches. So this part I measure 7 inches. So this side 6.5, 29 inches for the sleeve length, 7 inches I measure for the round sleeve, and this side the down wideness 22 inches for both the front and the back, and I connected it as same. So this is the down part of the khimar. So you just take your tape, you locate the center. The center is 11 here, so I locate the center, then you make a curve like this. So you can decide to just curve it, or you measure 1 inch here. So you can decide not to measure the one, you just make that curve. So from the for the down of the back piece, I just connected it to meet the front piece. You can see. So just to make the curve, then I will cut it out. So I'll follow the shocking, then I'll cut it out. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. You will take the back piece, then notch at top, just notch. That's where we are going to fix the cap. So this is the sleeve. This depends on the type of sleeve you want. So I just want to cut normal sleeve, so I double it. I want it doubled. So remember, the sleeve length is 7 inches, and the round sleeve that I chop on my khimar, I use 7. So I just got 7 by 7. But the 7 inches I multiply it because I want it double. So I don't want to fold the mount of the sleeve. Reason why I measure 14 by 7. So you can make any design of your choice, any sleeve design you want. So I have tutorial on different type of sleeve, so you can watch so that you can make beautiful sleeves design. So this is the mouth area, so you measure the length of the sleeve. You can see that I doubled it. You can see the length, then how wide you want it. So this is not constant, so depending on the measurements you are working with. So remember to tap notification bell, so I'll be sending new videos on how to make different beautiful sleeve designs that you love for your khimar. So this is the outcome. Thanks for watching. Masalam.